Okay, these are the Lumify Eyedrops by Bausch& Lomb, and I have kind of chronic red in my eyes there. I think sometimes too, I don't get enough sleep, and so sometimes my eyes are just not vibrant and lovely. I'm going on a few days of not great sleep. But the thing I like about these is it gets rid of the redness, but I'm also gonna tell you, it's like living Photoshop because you don't have to brighten your eyes. It just brightens your eyes. So I'm gonna drip it in, wait a second and let you see. And this probably is a good idea to do before you put your mascara on. I might fast forward this in the video for you so that you don't have to sit and watch me forever. That is after like 30 seconds, so let's give it a full on. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup for a minute, so I'm gonna give it like maybe 5 more minutes. But already I can see the difference. Already I can see how bright my eyes are. So I'm gonna continue to do my makeup, and at the end I'll give you another glimpse, but it's quick and it is, I think it's amazing. Okay, so I'm done doing my makeup, and look at how my eyes look. Like that one red one is never going away because that's my life, but I just think it makes them look so white and pretty and almost like Photoshop. So I really think that Lumify is a great product.